For approved Hoover service and genuine Hoover parts, locate the nearest authorized Hoover warranty service dealer by checking the yellow pages under vacuum cleaners or household, or visit our website at hoovercommercial.com. Follow the Service Center link to find the service outlet nearest you. You can also call a toll-free automated referral line or speak to a customer service representative by calling 1-800-944-9200. Be sure to have the complete model number from the data plate on the cleaner when calling.